I would admit na in some bodybuilding competitions, using steroids is one way of winning. Kumbaga, yung iba, nagpapakondisyon sila, nagpapapayat sila para makasali ng bodybuilding competition katulad nito. Pero hindi lang yon ang pwede mong gawin. I did many kinds of weight loss journey and did many things that would help me lose weight. Ano ba yung mga pinagagawa ko dati? Well, sa totoo lang, napakadami. Kaalalahanin ko lahat ha. So, nagsimula ako, nag-competitive aerobics ako, nagturo ako ng indoor cycling, tapos nag-Spartan race ako, nag-cycling race din ako, nag-running marathons, tapos nag-calisthenics pa ako, nag-yoga, nag-pilates. So, all throughout, dun sa mga experiences ko na yon, lahat yon nakakontribute into losing weight. Again, when you're trying to lose weight, it's not one direction. It's a journey. Depende kung saan yung pinaka makakatulong sa inyo to reach your goal. It's not one size fits all. It's actually make your own path. Kung saan ka mas masaya, kung saan ka mas nag-enjoy, kung saan mo nahanap yung community, yung peace, yung joy.